The Quran, the holy book of Islam, presents a fascinating verse. And you see the mountains thinking that they are solid while they pass by like the clouds, An-Naml 88. This verse is not just a poetic expression but a profound statement that challenges our understanding of the natural world. It invites us to look beyond the surface and question our assumptions about the permanence and stability of the Earth's features. This verse challenges our perception of mountains as static and unchanging. Mountains, which we often consider the epitome of solidity and immovability, are described as moving, much like the clouds that drift across the sky. This imagery is both beautiful and thought-provoking, urging us to reconsider what we know about the natural world. It suggests that these seemingly immovable giants are, in fact, in motion. This idea aligns with the modern scientific understanding of tectonic plates, which are massive slabs of the Earth's crust that move and shift over time. The movement of these plates can cause mountains to rise, fall, and even drift, albeit at a pace that is imperceptible to the human eye. This concept, presented centuries ago, resonates deeply with modern scientific discoveries about our planet. The theory of plate tectonics, which was developed in the 20th century, provides a framework for understanding the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface. It explains how continents drift, how earthquakes occur, and how mountains are formed and eroded over millions of years. This image captures the essence of the verse, showcasing the contrast between the solid mountains and the fleeting clouds. The mountains, which appear so permanent and unchanging, are in fact part of a dynamic system that is constantly evolving. The clouds, with their ever-changing shapes and forms, serve as a reminder of the impermanence and fluidity of the natural world. The mountains, often seen as symbols of strength and permanence, are juxtaposed with the ever-shifting clouds, hinting at a deeper truth about their nature. This juxtaposition invites us to reflect on the nature of reality itself, encouraging us to see the world not as a collection of static objects, but as a dynamic and interconnected system where everything is in a state of constant change. The Earth's surface is not as rigid as it appears. It is composed of massive tectonic plates that constantly shift and interact. This movement, known as plate tectonics, is the driving force behind earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains. Imagine the Earth's surface as a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece representing a tectonic plate. These plates are not stationary. They slowly move, driven by the heat emanating from the Earth's core. The concept of continental drift, proposed by Alfred Wegener in the early 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of Earth's geology. Wegener suggested that the continents were once joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea, and have been slowly drifting apart for millions of years. Looking at a world map, we can see how the continents seem to fit together like puzzle pieces. This observation, along with fossil evidence and geological formations, supports Wegener's theory of continental drift. Tectonic plates interact at their boundaries, creating different geological phenomena. When plates collide, they create convergent boundaries, where mountains are often formed. The Himalayas, for instance, are the result of the ongoing collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates. Picture two massive tectonic plates pushing against each other with immense force. The pressure from this collision causes the land to buckle and fold, creating towering mountain ranges. Section 5. Birth of Giants. The formation of mountains is a slow and powerful process. As tectonic plates collide, they exert tremendous pressure on each other, causing the land to uplift and fold. Over millions of years, these forces shape the Earth's surface, creating the majestic mountains we see today. Imagine a slow-motion video capturing the Earth's transformation over millions of years. We would witness the gradual rise of mountains as tectonic plates collide and reshape the planet's surface. Section 6. Quran's Insight. Mountains on the Move. The Quranic verse that speaks of mountains moving like clouds is a fascinating intersection of faith and science. This ancient text, written over 1400 years ago, offers a poetic description that resonates with modern geological understanding. The Quranic verse about mountains moving like clouds takes on a new meaning in light of plate tectonics. This scientific theory explains how the Earth's lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath. These plates are in constant motion, driven by forces deep within the Earth. While mountains may appear stationary to us, they are constantly moving, albeit at a pace imperceptible to human observation. This movement is a result of the tectonic plates shifting, colliding, and pulling apart, causing the mountains to rise, fall, and even drift over millions of years. Despite their solid appearance, mountains are part of the Earth's dynamic system, constantly moving and evolving over geological timescales. The forces that drive this movement are immense, involving the heat from the Earth's core and the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. The Quran's description of mountains moving like clouds, though poetic, aligns with the scientific understanding of plate tectonics. This metaphor beautifully captures the slow, majestic movement of these colossal landforms, reminding us of the profound connection between ancient wisdom and modern science. Section 7. Beyond the Mountains, Other Scientific Wonders. The Quran's reference to moving mountains is just one example of its remarkable alignment with scientific discoveries. Other verses allude to concepts like the Big Bang, the expanding universe, and the origin of life from water, all of which have been confirmed by modern science. The Quran's insights into the natural world inspire awe and wonder, encouraging us to explore and appreciate the intricacies of creation. Section 8. A Timeless Message. The Quran's verses revealed centuries ago offer profound insights into the workings of our planet and the universe. These verses, written in a time when scientific knowledge was limited, have continued to inspire generations. They speak to the natural phenomena that we observe today, from the vastness of the cosmos to the intricate details of life on Earth. Its description of moving mountains, once considered a metaphorical expression, now resonates with our scientific understanding of plate tectonics. The Quran's reference to mountains as stabilizers of the Earth aligns with modern geological findings, showcasing a remarkable convergence between ancient scripture and contemporary science. This alignment between faith and science invites us to appreciate the Quran's timeless wisdom and its ability to inspire curiosity and exploration. Scientists and scholars alike find themselves drawn to the Quran's verses, seeking to uncover the layers of meaning and knowledge embedded within its text. This pursuit of understanding bridges the gap between the spiritual and the empirical, fostering a holistic view of the world. The Quran encourages us to observe, reflect, and seek knowledge. It calls upon us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into the mysteries of existence. By promoting a culture of learning and inquiry, the Quran has laid the foundation for countless advancements in various fields of study. Its verses, like the one about moving mountains, serve as a reminder that there is always more to discover and understand about the world around us. They challenge us to remain curious and open-minded, to continually seek out new knowledge and perspectives. In doing so, we honor the timeless message of the Quran and its enduring relevance in our ever-evolving quest for truth and understanding.